Hey everyone, it's September 24th. In math class, you've been talking about fractions, decimals, and percents, and converting between the three of them. So let's do a quick review. Let's start by converting a decimal to a fraction. So let's start off with this decimal. Some of you will be tempted to say, that's 0.25, but not quite so fast. You are in middle school now. You have to read this the right way. This is actually 25 hundredths, and so when I'm converting that decimal to a fraction, I think 25 hundredths, and then I flip my brain into fraction mode, and I think, okay, if I had to write 25 hundredths as a fraction, what would that look like? It would look like this. 25 hundredths. 25 hundredths, 25 hundredths. Now, if you get confused with the place value and you're still trying to learn the names of the place values, here's a little trick. If I have two numbers behind the decimal here, then I need two zeros in my denominator here. If I had one number here, 1 0 here. 8 numbers here, 8 zeros here. See how that works? Remember, math is about rules and patterns. Now, I'm not done. I need to reduce this. Sometimes when we're working with big numbers, it gets confusing and kids do not know which number to start reducing with. My suggestion is to start with a 2, a 3, a 5, or a 10. Now, those aren't going to work all of the time, but those are easy numbers to work with, and they will work most of the time. 2 isn't going to work, 3 isn't going to work. However, I can look at these and tell right away 5 can go into 25, and 5 can go into 100. So let's divide them both by 5. Remember, whatever I do on the top, I do on the bottom. I'm going to erase these little numbers here. They're in our way. What's 25 divided by 5? 25 divided by 5 is 5. 100 divided by 5 is, it's 20. Now, if you need to use a calculator, use a calculator. We're not testing whether you can do the math right now. We're testing whether you can convert. It's okay to use a calculator. So 100 divided by 5 is 20. Now, I'm not done yet. This can still be reduced. 5 can go into 5, and 5 can go into 20. So let's reduce it again. Remember, same. 5 divided by 5, 20 divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 0.25 or 25 hundredths is the same as 25 hundredths is the same as 1/4.